Are you someone who enjoys dining out but worries about maintaining a healthy lifestyle? Do you struggle to make wise choices when faced with tempting menus? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 invaluable tips to help you navigate the world of eating out while still prioritizing your health. From making informed menu choices to effectively managing portion sizes, we've got you covered. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And now let's jump right in. When it comes to eating out while staying healthy, one of the most critical factors is making smart menu choices. By selecting nutritious options from the menu, you can savor a delectable meal while keeping your health goals intact. A key tip is to review the menu online before visiting the restaurant. This allows you to plan ahead and identify the healthy options available. Look for dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed instead of fried. These cooking methods help minimize the unhealthy fats and calories in your meal. Seek out dishes featuring lean proteins such as grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. These protein sources provide essential nutrients without excessive saturated fats. Don't overlook the vegetable section of the menu. Look for dishes that incorporate a variety of colorful vegetables. These nutrient-packed options offer vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are beneficial for your overall health. Salads can be an excellent choice, but be cautious with the dressings. Opt for vinaigrettes or request dressings on the side to control the amount you consume. Moreover, consider asking the server if customization is possible. Many restaurants are willing to accommodate special requests. For example, you can ask for steamed vegetables instead of fries, or request your protein to be prepared without added sauces or oils. By making wise menu choices, you can relish a satisfying, nourishing meal while dining out. Effective portion control strategies at restaurants. Maintaining portion control while dining out can be challenging since restaurant servings are often larger than what our bodies truly need. However, by employing a few strategies, you can effectively manage your portion sizes and stay on track with your healthy objectives. Start by familiarizing yourself with portion control tips and techniques. Googling keywords like portion control tips and how to avoid overeating at restaurants are commonly searched by individuals seeking guidance on managing their portions. Being aware of these strategies can empower you to make better decisions when dining out. Consider sharing a meal with a friend or family member. Many restaurants provide generous portions, so splitting a dish allows you to reduce your intake while still enjoying the flavors and the experience. Additionally, ordering from the appetizer menu can be an effective way to control portion sizes. Appetizer portions are typically smaller, making them a suitable choice for those aiming to manage their food intake. Another helpful strategy is to request a to-go box up front. When your meal arrives, immediately portion out half of it into the to-go box. This way, you can savor a satisfying portion without feeling obligated to finish the entire plate. By taking leftovers home, you can relish the remaining portion for another meal, maximizing both your health and your budget. Furthermore, practicing mindful eating can significantly contribute to portion control. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to your body's hunger and satiety cues. Give yourself time to feel full before considering additional servings. This mindful approach helps prevent overeating and promotes a healthier relationship with food. Incorporating these portion control strategies into your dining out routine can make a notable difference in managing your food intake. Making conscious choices to avoid hidden calories in sauces and dressings. When dining out, it's crucial to be mindful of the hidden calories lurking in sauces and dressings. These condiments have the potential to turn an otherwise healthy meal into a calorie-packed indulgence. By making conscious choices and opting for healthier alternatives, you can enjoy your dining experience without compromising your health goals. One effective tactic is to request dressings on the side. This allows you to control the amount you use. Dip your fork into the dressing before each bite of salad or drizzle a small amount over your dish. This way you can savor the flavors without drowning your meal in excessive calories. Choosing lighter options such as vinaigrettes or dressings made with olive oil, lemon juice, or balsamic vinegar can also make a significant difference. These alternatives often contain fewer unhealthy fats and sugars compared to creamy dressings. Another tip is to utilize natural flavors like lemon juice or herbs to enhance the taste of your meal. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a refreshing tang, while herbs like basil, cilantro, or dill can provide a burst of flavor without adding extra calories. By being mindful of the sauces and dressings you choose, you can successfully avoid hidden calories while relishing a satisfying meal when dining out. Remember to ask for dressings on the side, Opt for lighter alternatives like vinaigrettes, and experiment with natural flavors such as lemon juice and herbs. With these simple adjustments, you can strike a balance between taste and health during your dining experiences. Balancing indulgence with healthier options. When it comes to eating out while staying healthy, finding a balance between indulgence and healthier choices is key. While it's enjoyable to treat yourself occasionally, it's important to make conscious decisions that support your overall well-being. Here are some tips to help you strike a balance between indulgence and healthier options when dining out. First and foremost, allow yourself to enjoy indulgent treats in moderation. It's perfectly fine to indulge in your favorite dish or dessert occasionally. The key is to be mindful of portion sizes and frequency. Rather than completely depriving yourself, savor those indulgent moments while keeping them in moderation. One effective strategy is to balance your meal by incorporating healthier options alongside your indulgence. For example, if you're craving a rich pasta dish, consider pairing it with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. This way, you can satisfy your cravings while also nourishing your body with nutrient-dense ingredients. When pursuing the menu, look for healthier alternatives or lighter versions of your favorite dishes. Many restaurants nowadays offer options that are lower in calories, saturated fats, and sugar. You may be pleasantly surprised by the variety of healthier choices available. Additionally, consider making small adjustments to your order to make it more nutritious. For instance, opt for the grilled or baked options instead of fried ones. Ask for dressing, sauces, and condiments on the side to control the amount you consume. These simple modifications can help reduce the calorie and fat content of your meal without compromising on taste. Remember that balance is the key to a sustainable and enjoyable approach to eating out while staying healthy. Indulging your favorite treats mindfully and in moderation while incorporating healthier options into your meals. By finding this equilibrium, you can savor the flavors and pleasures of dining out without sacrificing your well-being. And there you have it, 5 valuable tips to help you stay healthy while dining out. By making smart menu choices, implementing portion control strategies, avoiding hidden calories in sauces and dressings, practicing mindful eating, and balancing indulgence with healthier options, you can enjoy your meals guilt-free. Remember to subscribe for more helpful videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.